Yes, Aditya, please start. If possible, can you switch on your camera? And I request everyone to switch on their cameras, please.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Not right now.
Okay. Ma'am, now is it visible?
Actually, no. Yeah, it's now visible.
Okay. Good evening, all. Myself, Aditya B. Nayak, the Minister of Home Affairs, Parliamentary Affairs, and Law and Justice. I, with my junior ministers, are here to announce the budget. We are budgeting on police, women's safety and child safety, and fast track courts. The Ministry of Home Affairs. The Ministry of Home Affairs is mainly responsible for maintenance of internal security and domestic policy. The annual budget of Ministry of Home Affairs was rupees 185,776 crore in 2022 to 2023 estimated. These are the six departments of Ministry of Home Affairs. Budget for police. We need to bring positive outcomes in policing system. The desired outcomes are safety and security of citizens, collection of intelligence, investigation of crime, sound public order. First of all, we need to give more focus on office or operating expenses of police station. It is estimated that the office or operation cost for running a police station in an urban area is around rupees 5 to 6 lakhs per year, while for rural area it is 4 to 5 lakhs per year. This cost estimates expenses on items of nature such as stationery, translations, etc. Second is to build capacity within the police. This may be through focused training to keep pace with the changes in nature of crime and prevention techniques, creation of basic as well as technical infrastructure, soft skills, and building of databases, etc. With keeping these points, we introduce police maintenance and development policy, which can be implemented for a systematic policing system in India. Our demand: the total budget for police infrastructure in 2022 to 2023 was totaled
आपको लगे कि इन लोग ऐसा लगता है टेररिस्ट का माइंड हो गया इन लोग अरे वो
2,188.38 crores. We would like to demand a budget of 3,636.66 crores. Next, schemes for child and women safety. Budget for women and child protection. Pink patrolling. Pink police force functions especially for safety of women and children. Currently, Pink petrol is in force only in three states, which are Kerala, Goa, and Uttar Pradesh. As pink patrolling is very important for women and child safety, our demand is to promote pink patrolling forces with a budget of 220 crores. Cybercrime prevention against women and children. The main objective of CCPWC scheme is to have an effective mechanism to handle cybercrimes against women and children in the country. The total budget for 2022 to 2023 was total for rupees 140.772 crores. In the year 2022 to 2024, it is to be estimated at 150 crores. With this keeping in mind, we introduce बाल शक्ति सुरक्षा योजना, जिसमें शक्ति शब्द भारत की हर एक महिला और भारत के हर एक बच्चों की ताकत को दर्शाता है. The Ministry of Law and Justice. We, the members of the Ministry of Law and Justice, dealing with the management of legal affairs, legislative activities, and administration of justice in India through three departments: Legislative Department, the Department of Legal Affairs, and the Department of Justice. Now moving on to Shivapriya.
Fast track courts are a type of courts which mainly interfere in the POSCO women and women's safety. There are 581 fast track courts in India. 56% of states and union territories don't have fast track courts. There is a sudden decline in number of FTCs in India due to challenges of systemic issues. Many FTCs lack technological resources and inadequate number of staff. Merely increasing the number of judges and courts will not decrease the number of unsolved cases. Merely increasing the number of judges and courts will not decrease the number of unsolved cases. In conclusion, the technical resources, maintenance, staff salary, and efficiency, we demand a budget of 220 crores.
Ma'am, the presentation is over.
Who is in opposition? Harsh? Is Harsh joined? You can stop sharing. Has anybody else has any question? Shrishti, Aditya, Ashish?
I wanted to ask one.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So yeah, according to your budget, there has been an increase in budget allocated for police. So I just wanted to know that what provisions are being made for defending against police corruption. Like there has been a lot of corruption in the police department. But any provision you have made or something?
Aditya, Shivpriya, please answer.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there are a lot of corruptions in the police department.
Yeah.
Uh, Hello,
Your voice audible.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Please go on.
Uh, so there are a lot of corruptions that are reported in the police departments. So for this, the Ministry of Home Affairs have taken some kind of steps which can help to prevent these kind of corruptions, such as like we take the help of means the uh, technical resources, like the police stations of India are lacking the technical resources, or we can say the IT, the information technology is not completely applicable right now for police stations. So um, after the after the technical supports are getting available, there are some kind of steps that we try to take. For example, if a policeman is committing a corruption, it can be now, for nowadays it cannot be easily identified by the people. But if we are setting a department, a separate department for setting this kind or to finding out this kind of illegal activities like corruption and also other malpractices, it will be just fair. So we try to keep more advancing levels. We, as our India is growing technically, all the in all aspects, India must grow. So, according to me, the police, all the police stations in India have not grown in a kind of way, and also the state level police exams are not conducted in a fair way. So, we can only say that the solutions for this issue will be providing them with more resources and taking help of more technical supports, so that the means like setting cameras and cyber cell also is a kind of example.
Yeah.
So different departments can be set up for finding out these issues, and more resources, it will be more fair.
Yeah. Thanks for enhancing my knowledge.
Thank you, Ditya. Thank you, Ashish. So we are moving to next one. Just a moment.